Okay, thank you very much for joining me for the interview this morning. Now, please tell me about yourself. Okay.
My name is Nur Aziza.
My name is Nur Aziza.
My name is Nur Aziza.
Hmm?
And you can call me Aziza.
And you can call me
Aziza.
Aziza.
I am 16 years old.
Oh, I am 16 years old. Masih kecil sekali. I am 16 years old. Ini kamu di bawah umur kamu. Kamu belum boleh kerja. Kamu harusnya main-main TikTok.
16.
I am 16 years old. Terus?
I was born and
I was born
and raised.
in apa? And
Raised.
apa itu raid? Tulisannya bagaimana?
Raised.
Oh, and raised. And
Yes.
raised.
And raised in Muna, Sulawesi Tenggara.
In Muna,
Sulawesi Tenggara.
Southeast Sulawesi, ya.
Southeast
Southeast Sulawesi. Oke, terus? Terus?
Itu saja, Sir.
Udah. Oh, yang justru yang terpentingnya nggak kamu sebutin ini, yaitu latar belakang pendidikan kamu. Kamu kan di wawancara itu menyebutkan sesuatu yang berkaitan dengan pekerjaan. Kalau kamu lahir di mana, umurmu berapa, itu sebenarnya nggak terlalu penting. Umur penting ya, umur penting. Tapi kamu sekolah di mana, itu yang lebih penting. Ya, terus ditambahin ya, perhatikan. I graduated
from Tadikapuri. Parepare. Kindergarten in the yard.
Kindergarten. Kindergarten itu artinya TK loh. Taman kanak-kanak.
In the years to.
Oke, in 2021. Nggak perlu pakai in the year ya. In 2021. Terus? Udah. Oke. Jadi I graduated from Tadikapuri Airline Business Career. Jadi tambahin seperti ini.
Airlines.
Business Career. Parepare in 2021. Sudah?
Yes, sir.
Dibaca lagi ya. My name is Nur Aziza and you can call me Aziza. I am 16 years old. I was born and raised in Muna, Southeast Sulawesi. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airlines Business Career Parepare in 2021. Coba dibaca.
My name is Nur Aziza and you can call me Aziza. I am 16 years old. I was born
bukan born. I was born
and raised in Muna.
And raised, bukan raised. And raised
in Muna, Sulawesi.
In Muna, Southeast Sulawesi.
In Muna, Southeast Sulawesi.
South. In Muna, South. No. Bukan sound. South. In Muna, South Sulawesi.
South.
Bukan saus. Saus cabai apa saus tomat? Southeast. Southeast
Sulawesi. I graduated from.
I graduated
from Tadikapuri Airlines Business Career.
Bukan bisnis, apaan? Bisnis. Airline Business Career. Career, bukan kurir. Kurir JNT apa kurir?
Apa?
Career, business career.
Kurir.
No. Mau aku nggak mau kurir. Career, business career. Career.
Career. Parepare in 2021.
Ya, good. Jadi setiap kata itu harus kamu ucapkan dengan benar. Biar yang dengerin tuh ngerti. Oh, ini kamu ngomong kayak gini. Kalau enggak, kata-kata kamu enggak akan dimengerti. Ya, pronunciation yang salah itu membuat kata-kata kamu enggak dimengerti. Ya, right. Number one. Next, why should we hire you? Why should we hire you?
I have excellent administrative skills.
I have, okay, jadi because
Because
I have
excellent
excellent
administrative
administrative
skills
with
I believe
apa itu? Which tulisannya seperti ini.
WICH.
Oh, WHICH. Which I believe. Jadi tulisan I itu dibaca I.
I believe.
Ya. Which I believe. Apa? Pelan-pelan. Which I believe
are very much
needed. Seperti tulisannya bagaimana? Needed seperti ini.
Yes, sir.
Very much needed.
In this company.
Very much needed for?
In this company.
Oke, are very much needed in this company. Oke, seperti ini?
Yes, sir.
Oke. Perhatikan cara bacanya ya. Because I have excellent administrative skills which I believe are very much needed in this company. Dibaca coba.
Because I have
Bukan because
I have excellent.
I dibaca I. Saya marah loh kalau kamu salah seperti itu. Masa I have
excellent administrative skill which I believe are very much needed in this company.
No. Bacanya masih kacau. Because I have, dengerin baik-baik. Because I have excellent administrative skills which I believe are very much needed in this company. Ketika saya baca, kamu jangan baca. Dengarkan saja. Because I have excellent administrative skills which I believe are very much needed in this company. Ya, coba.
Because I have excellent administrative
skills, ada S-nya itu. Skills
which I believe are very much needed in this company.
Oke. Ya, jadi setiap kata harus diucapkan dengan benar. Oke, next. Why do you want to work at our company?
Because in my opinion, this company is very good and has service
seperti ini ya.
Yes,
and
sir.
has services that are
in accordance with the wishes
apa itu?
Tulisannya, sir.
Which has seperti ini. Gimana tulisannya?
No, bukan, sir.
Which Sudah betul seperti ini, which?
With.
Oh, with. With. Oke.
They,
The.
with his wishes.
Oh, wishes. Seperti ini?
Yes, sir.
According with the wishes.
Wishes of passenger.
Of passengers. Maksudnya bagaimana ini? Oh, maksudnya bahasa Indonesianya bagaimana, Nur Aziza?
Karena menurut saya perusahaan ini sangat bagus dan memiliki pelayanan yang sesuai dengan keinginan penumpang.
Oke, ya udah, boleh ya. Cuman itu saja?
Yes, sir.
Oke. Because in my opinion this company is very good and has services that are in accordance with the wishes of passengers. Atau begini saja. Because in my opinion this company is very good and has services that passengers like, ya. That passengers like, has services that passengers love, ya, yang disukai oleh penumpang. Oke, dengarkan cara saya membacanya. Because in my opinion this company is very good and has services that passengers love. Oke, dibaca coba.
Because in my opinion, this company is very good and has services that passengers love. That passenger love.
Passengersnya ada S-nya. That passengers love. Okay. Next, why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because being an airport staff.
Airline atau airport?
Airline staff
or airport staff, ya, sama airport staff.
Airport staff is an interesting and challenging job.
Oke. Terus?
Itu saja.
Oke, boleh. Because being an airline staff is an interesting and challenging job. Ya, coba dibaca.
Because
bukan because. Because
being an airline or airport staff in an interesting
is an
interesting and challenging job.
Okay, good. Next, what did you learn from training at Tadikapuri?
What I learned.
Kamu nggak bisa ngomong I ya? Saya itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
I learned.
Ya, what I learned
from Tadikapuri. Is about flights.
Flights, seperti ini.
Yes, sir.
It's about flights.
How to serve passengers. Speak well
seperti ini.
Yes, sir.
Ya,
Speak well.
Passengers.
Be polite.
Apa? Speak well terus?
Be polite.
Be polite seperti ini.
Yes, sir.
Be polite.
Be disciplined.
Be disciplined.
On time.
Punctual ya, bukan on time. Punctual. On time itu sama dengan punctual ya. Kita pakai punctual saja. Be disciplined, punctual.
And dress neatly.
And dress neatly.
Neatly.
Ya, seperti ini.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I learned from Tadika Puri are about. Is about flights, how to serve passengers, speak well, being polite. Being polite, being disciplined, punctual, and dressing neatly. And how to dress neatly, ya. And how to dress neatly. Sebentar. It's about flights, how to serve passengers well, speak well, be polite. Boleh pakai be ya. Be polite, disciplined, and punctual. And how to dress neatly. Ya, coba dibaca.
What I learned from.
No. What I learned.
What I learned from Tadika Puri is about.
Is about
flights.
Flights. Huruf G sama hanya nggak dibaca ini. Jadi flights. Ya.
How to service passengers.
How to serve passengers.
How to serve passengers. Speak well.
Speak well.
Speak well. Be polite. Disciplined. And punctual.
And punctual.
And punctual.
Pang. Kamu bisa ngomong pang nggak? Punctual. Punctual.
Punctual.
Ya.
And how to dress. And how.
Bukan ya. And how.
And how to dress neatly.
And how to dress neatly. Okay, good. Next, what is your weakness?
My
weakness
is like of confidence.
Oh, is lack confidence.
Yes, sir.
Ya, is lack confident. Bukan like bacanya, lack. Kalau like itu suka. Kalau ini bacanya lack. Beda sama I saja beda artinya beda jauh ya. My weakness is lack confident. Oke.
Of.
Apa? Of.
Confident. Ada of di tengahnya lack.
Oh, is lack of confidence.
Yes.
Okay.
But I will try to be confident
and diligent
at work.
Seperti ini?
At work.
Sudah seperti ini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My weakness is lack of confidence, but I will try to be confident and diligent at work. Ya. Jadi kelemahanmu itu kamu nggak percaya diri, tapi kamu janji akan percaya diri dan rajin di tempat kerja. Cara mengatasinya seperti itu.
Yes, sir.
Oh, gitu. Bisa nggak ya seperti ini jawabannya? Karena kalau kurang confident mestinya harus ada solusi. Solusinya nggak cuma janji. Solusinya itu gimana caranya kamu mengatasi kurang percaya diri itu?
Lebih pede.
Enggak ya. Oh, caranya? Bagaimana kamu mengatasi ketidakpercayaan diri kamu itu? Bahasa Indonesia saja dulu. Apa kamu ikut kursus kepribadian? Apa kamu nonton video-video YouTube tentang kepercayaan diri? Itu solusinya seperti itu, ya kan?
Yes, sir.
Nah, oke. Jadi diganti nih. But I will overcome that weakness by apa? Mau ngapain kamu? Caranya seperti bahasa Indonesianya kamu pilih yang mana? Pilih nonton video tentang percaya diri atau pilih ikut kursus kepribadian?
Nonton video.
Oke. By watching YouTube videos on self confidence and learn from them, ya, dan belajar dari video-video tersebut, ya. YouTube ini tulisannya gimana nih? YouTube, ya. Oke, berarti diulangi. My weakness is lack of confidence, but I will overcome that weakness by watching YouTube videos on self confidence and learn from them. Coba dibaca.
My weakness.
My weakness.
My weakness is lack of confidence, but I will overcome that weakness.
Weakness.
Weakness by watching YouTube videos on self confidence and learn from them. Okay, good. Next. What is your greatest strength? My
greatest
strength is being able to work with a team.
Work in a team.
And being able to provide good services. Kepada siapa? Kepada suami atau suami orang? Kan memberikan pelayanan yang bagus. Kepada siapa? Passengers.
Oh, to passengers. Kan harus ada objeknya. Kamu memberikan pelayanan kepada siapa?
Yes, sir.
Iya, kepada suamimu sendiri atau suami tetangga kan gitu. Good services to passengers. Okay, good. Next. How do you manage a complaint? Dibaca dulu. Ini my greatest strength is being able to work in a team and being able to provide good services to passengers. Ya. Dibaca.
My greatest strength.
My greatest strength
is being able to work in a team and being able to provide good service to passengers.
Good services
to passengers.
Yeah. How do you manage a complaint?
I will
give
empathy
or good services. Gini caranya kamu menangani keluhan, komplain. Bahasa Indonesianya gimana? Kalau ada orang komplain itu bagaimana kamu nanggepinya? Ya, empathy sudah betul. Terus bahasa Indonesianya yang lain gimana nih?
Saya akan memberikan simpati atau pelayanan yang baik solusi, dan janji yang pasti agar penumpang bisa puas dengan pelayanan kami.
Janji itu nggak pasti. Mana ada janji pasti?
Janji yang pasti.
Janji yang pasti. Mana ada janji yang pasti? Kalau udah pasti orang nggak perlu janji. Orang itu biasanya berjanji karena dia nggak tahu pasti. Ya, jadi I will give I will give my empathy, boleh ya, my sympathy atau empathy ya, empathy by listening to the complaint patiently and carefully. Ya. Then I will try to find the solution, ya, the best solution. Ya, seperti ini. For the problem being complained. Ya, seperti ini saja ya jawabannya ya. I will give my empathy by listening to the complaint patiently and carefully. Then I will try to find the best solution for the problem being complained. Coba.
I will give my empathy by listening to the
By listening.
to the complaint patiently and carefully. Then I will try to find the the best solution for the problem being complained.
Ya, ada deh-nya, being complained. Ya.
Being complained.
Ya, ini dulu nggak sempat belajar past tense ya, past tense yang ada deh-dehnya itu cara bacanya gimana ya. Oke, how much is your expected salary?
The salary I want
The salary I want from now
on is working.
From now apa? From now on is
working. And the salary.
Oh no. Maksudmu gimana nih? Ini udah nggak jelas ini kalimatnya. Bahasa Indonesianya saja dulu. Bahasa Indonesianya. Biar saya terjemahin. Kalau bahasa Indonesianya udah nggak masuk akal, bahasa Inggrisnya tambah nggak masuk akal. Gimana?
Gaji yang saya inginkan.
Terus?
Saya mengharapkan gaji sesuai dengan kinerja saya dan gaji yang telah ditetapkan oleh perusahaan di bidang tersebut.
Nah, itu. Jadi kalimat kamu ini kacau. Jadi kalau diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Inggris jadi kacau. Oke. Jadi in relation to salary, I believe in the companies atau I trust in the company's policy. Okay. I believe that the company will give me salary based on my true worth. Ya, seperti ini. Ya, ini saja ya yang jadi jawabanmu. In relation to salary, I trust in the company's policy. I believe that the company will give me salary based on my true worth. Coba baca.
In relation to salary, I trust in the company.
Bukan trust, I trust. I trust
in the company's
Policy.
policy.
Polisi. Siapa yang polisi jadi polisi? Emang kamu nggak bawa policy?
Policy, I believe that the company will give me salary based on my true worth.
Ya, salary ya, salary based on my true worth. Oke,
Salary based on my true worth.
my true worth,
My true worth.
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 Ya,
Worth.
nanti dilihat rekamannya ya. What do you know about this company?
This company
This company?
is engaged
Apa?
engaged tulisan
Engaged.
engaged
Engaged
in the
aviation
sector
sector
which
with
has
which atau with?
which
Oh, which seperti ini.
yes sir
Which has
several
branches
branches in Indonesia
in Indonesia
and is able to
is able to apa? Is able to apa? Udah. Apa ini artinya? Oh, nggak ngerti artinya. Kamu ngomong juga nggak ngerti artinya ini. Gimana sih? Ya udah gini aja. This company is engaged in the aviation sector which has several branches in Indonesia. Dah. Itu yang kamu ketahui tentang perusahaan ini ya. Coba dibaca. This company is engaged in the aviation sector which has several branches in Indonesia. Ya, coba dibaca.
This company is
Engaged
engaged in the aviation sector which has several branches in Indonesia. Branches in Indonesia.
Kenapa kamu kalau ngomong ada i-nya? Branches. Bukan branches. Gak bisa ngomong branches. Kenapa selalu branches? Kamu suka makan apa? Dentist. Branches in Indonesia. Ya udah nanti dilihat rekamannya. Ya, ini memang susah kalau udah aksennya pakai aksen pare-pare. Kamu baca bahasa Inggris pakai aksen pare-pare. Oke, what is your biggest achievement? Apa? What is your biggest achievement? Dibaca. Apa prestasi terbesarmu? What is your biggest achievement? Ada tidak prestasinya?
Tidak ada, sir.
Oh, nggak ada prestasinya. Kamu katanya juara 1, juara lomba lari dari kenyataan kemarin. Oh, nggak ada. Ya, boleh dijawab. I don't have any big achievement in my life. Boleh? Wah, hidupmu gitu banget ya, nggak punya prestasi sama sekali. I don't have any big achievement in my life. Ya, dibaca coba.
I don't have any big
Achievement
in my life.
ya, nggak punya prestasi. Langsung wah ini nggak punya prestasi, Pak. Perusahaannya yang mau mempekerjakan kamu agak gimana gitu. Oke, do you have any work experience before?
No, I didn't
No, I didn't
have any work
have any work
experience before,
experience before,
but I joined
but I join. Belajar baca ngomong I dong. I join.
that I joined
Wait a minute. Bentar ya.
join. But
Sorry. Bentar. But I joined
on the job
training
at Sultan
at Sultan Hasanuddin Airport. Apa?
In
East
Sulawesi Selatan,
Sulawesi Selatan, South Sulawesi dong. Kalau East itu timur. In South Sulawesi. South Sulawesi. Udah?
For 3 months.
For 3 months. Jangan mon. 3 months. Ya. For 3 months.
And considered.
I consider that as
a work experience.
Okay, good. For 3 months, I consider that as a work experience. Pertanyaan terakhir, do you have any question?
What is the
next stage
of new employee selection after this interview? What is the next stage of the new employee selection after this interview? Ya, boleh. Ya. Coba dibaca lagi. What is the next stage of new employee selection after this interview?
This bacanya ya, bukan tis. This interview. Kamu sering sekali baca di tis.
This.
Ya, this interview ya.
This interview.
Okay, good. Saya stop recording.